educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Hey guys, hi Tao. So excuse the mess in the background if you see a mess, but um, as you, as I think I've mentioned before that my studio is in my bedroom for right now. So yeah, that is what's hard. I'm thinking about, yeah, I wanna like put like a curtain in between my bed and the studio. We'll see. Today I was at Joann's and I bought some I bought this ribbon. It was very good price and I feel like it's such good quality. So yeah. Um I'm working on this shoot today. Oh, actually like both of them, but yeah, I think I'm gonna start the other one so I can get me more excited. And then yeah, this is how this side is looking so far. I'm definitely gonna add other stuff to it. I also got like these little flower things, really cute. Comment what do you think I should do with them on the shoelace, on the, I was thinking like near the shoelaces or maybe on the top, I don't know, but yeah, really cute. Then yeah, we'll see what happens from there. Gonna just think about stuff. I might, well yeah, I'm gonna record now me doing the other shoe. And yes, thank you for being here. And yeah, definitely gotta clean up a lot of this though, but yeah, I'm excited. The hair looks amazing, which I'm really proud of myself. Well, this is the end of the video. This one side so far and the other side is very messy, but we're getting there. I'm still thinking about what to do here. I have new ideas, so we'll see. And yeah, I'm not sure if I want to keep her skin tone like that or if I want to do it a different like yellow or green or blue or something like that. Different color, we'll see. But these are it so far. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep them this color. And yeah. Let me know what you guys think so far. And yeah. Until next time. Guys, this is crazy. So I literally opened this was like from yesterday or the day before, where I was saving acrylic paint, and then I open it and look, it's a butterfly. That's crazy. Oh my god, that's crazy.